Hi guys! Today we're going to have a look at a Landon tractor. This must be pretty old and rusty, but it still works and it belongs to our friend Stretch. Anyway, let's get on to the video. First we got the medium-sized tire and our car-sized tire.
It's a pretty basic tire, no, Puta?
Well, yeah, it is. These are fencing. And there's the bucket. Just right up here. And there's our chain. You see it goes right. Oh, well, we can see a nice seat there and yeah, pretty classic, I'd say. Yeah, classic. Oh, these are the pedals. This size of the wheel is our back wheel, but for our Massey Ferguson, it's our front. Oh, this is our fertilizer.
So, can I touch that?
No.
Okay.
Well, we spray stuff. And here's the hinge. This is where you attach any trailers. Thank you guys. Oh yeah, what do you mean?
I see something pretty up there.
Oh,
Something red?
it's a tire.
Huh?
Like this thing?
This red thing?
Oh, now I get it. It's a light.
Okay.
I don't know about it.
It's a pretty cool light.
Yeah, it's a little bit similar to our Mac. Anyways, thank you guys for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe.